I know a lot of video editors have been in this scenario before. You've just cut the perfect video, cut to a specific time, and you've just now found the perfect piece of music, but the track's too long. So what do? You get out that razor tool and you cut it up and you try and mishmash the piece of audio together, right? Because you want to get it perfect, or as near perfect as you can. But that's a manual way. I'm going to show you a way how to let AI do this for you without cutting the track. And it's actually utilizing a piece of tech that is in Adobe Audition, and it's now in Premiere Pro, and it's called Remix. Right, here we are in Premiere Pro, and you can see here, I've got a timeline. I'm just gonna hit play on this. We've got an issue. I have a 24-second piece of video. However, my audio goes for 2 minutes and 12 seconds. What am I to do here? Let's get that razor tool out, shall we? So here we go. If I were to do this manually, of course, I would just slice it up here, or I would find the correct patterns inside of this audio and then just bring them together. But you even lose fidelity when you cut down the audio. It may not be the right beat. How are you meant to do that manually? Very painful. So as I mentioned, Remix is a feature in Adobe Audition, and you can use it in that tool there. But it was so good that we brought it to Premiere Pro. And this is the way it works. All I have to do is select the clip, go over to the tool set here, and right down the bottom you'll notice the Remix tool. Obviously I'm using the latest update of Premiere Pro, so if you can't see that, you'll have to download the latest update of Premiere. I can now apply the Remix effect, and this is how it works. We're not cutting this audio. We're simply doing this. We're dragging it back. We're gonna find the spot that we wanna put it. Let's say around about here. Now we're gonna let it do its thing. Look at this, Adobe Sensei kicks in. It analyzes the clip. It then determines where the rhythmic patterns are and simply puts them in there for us. So if I drag this back out, it's literally recut the audio without cutting the audio. Take a quick look at these little zigzags. This is essentially Sensei picking up the patterns in the existing piece of audio and literally stitching them together. So now when I hit play on this, I should get a pretty seamless experience. And just like that, no razor tools required. And that's it. How much time is that going to save you? Seriously, forget all the tedium of cutting it all up using a razor. Let's just let Adobe Sensei do that for us. And you can see how good the results are. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one. But remember, never stop creating.